I'm Dave Kim, I'm the CEO at Harbr.
My name's Ashley Kilbertowski, and I'm Head of Product and Customer Development at Harbr.
I'm Jeff Kilbertowski, and I manage operations and business development.
I'm Mike Willett, and I'm the CTO of Harbr.
I think if you were to ask, people in tech, what Harbr does, they'll say, well, Harbr is an analytics company for construction, right? But what we do, like, we're not defined by that. What we do, if you ask a customer of ours, is we cover their ass. That's what we do, right?
Yeah.
For these guys here, the construction side is just like mayhem, right? These folks are meant to keep construction, like these sites, straight. If they don't document and report every single thing, like literally every single thing, then if there's a dispute, they're the ones that end up having to go to court, and they're gonna lose that case. So we just give them the simplest way to make sure that reporting, that documentation, that information is 100% legit.
I use it to track my own guys and what they're doing throughout the day, track the issues that I'm having on site and make sure I log them so that I cover myself in the end. Some of the challenge I faced using the old method was always having to resort back to my binder instead of being able to walk through the job site and update my issues live on my phone or on my tablet.
For Harbr, for the site user anyway, if you can take a picture, if you can do a text message, if you can send an email, you're working with Harbr anyway.
And a lot of them do things through iPads and smartphones already, and daily reporting is actually one thing that a lot of them didn't understand why they were still doing it on paper.
Harbr, this is how I keep an eye from a distance on all our projects. We have 30 to 50 projects on the go at all times. And with 30 to 50 projects, there's no way possible to visit them every day. So this way here, I keep an eye on them and getting live reports every day. It keeps me in the know of all the site schedules, issues, concerns, so that I can deal with them before they become real serious issues.
When an owner of one of these big GC companies sees something in that day and they're able to action it, an issue that comes across their desk on their computer in the comfort of their own office, and they're able to make a phone call about this issue. And we know that we're not going to eliminate issues, but we're really going to close the window and save them a lot of money in the meantime.
These guys coming from the construction industry and us, in the tech world, kind of blending that together.
Yeah, when we knew that we wanted to do something in the construction industry, it came down to, we had to go out and speak to people, figure out exactly what it was that we should be building as opposed to what we wanted to build. Mm-hmm. And I think that's the key to the success that we've had so far, is listening to the user and the customer, because if we just went and build something, they probably won't use it. Yeah, I think the big thing with building any team or company is you have to build a small team around people that you want to work with. And if you don't do that, you're not going to succeed, because you want to be able to get people who have common ground, but then also some different perspectives. And I think we do that, and we allow everyone to have a voice in the company, which is kind of the key. And especially in startup, if you're a team of 3 to 7 people, everybody's input is necessary in order to grow the company.
In my last startup at GoInstant, there wasn't a Volta, and there wasn't anything like a Volta, and it was really lonely. And that's a massive piece of what Volta does. It brings all these companies together so that we can all learn from each other and not make the same mistakes over and over and over again.
We'd probably be working in Dave's basement or our basement, or maybe in Mike's apartment somewhere, if we didn't have the opportunity to come in here and actually get focused.
Every company here and Volta itself seems to have like this open door policy, and everyone is happy to chat about problems and solutions and advice and whatever.
You're not alone when you're starting these companies. I think that's a big thing with Volta, is there's a lot of people at different stages in their companies. So make sure you're talking to people, circulating your idea, and then getting feedback to help you further your company.